Hello, I'm Dr. Ken Orbeck, the founder and owner of Regenerative Medical Institute. What is the biggest problem today when we talk about health and wellness? If we look at overall society and where we are right now, most of us are facing fear. We're facing obstacles. There's division. We're having difficulty with interpersonal relationships. Health and wellness is really stemmed from internal beauty, internal wellness, nutrition, balancing of hormones, and regeneration of the body. What is the problem with men's health today? We live in an environment that is not full of excellent nutrition. We know that. There's many toxins that affect our hormones, and as we age, our hormones decline. So testosterone starts to go down. We lose our growth factors. We start to lose our muscle mass. We gain fat. And so what happens to our self-confidence? It goes in the toilet. That's very important for a man, self-confidence and vitality. What happens after that? We start losing the ability to have an erection. What happens after that? We then lose more self-confidence and it starts to spiral. Now you want to avoid relationships, you want to avoid loving your wife because you're ashamed of not having an erection. These are all issues that I deal with in Regenerative Medical Institute. As I practice hormonal medicine and regenerative medicine, I see a lot of women throughout the day. What I see in society today is a lot of confusion. I see a lot of difficulty with nutrition on a woman's body, but most importantly, as a woman ages and approaches menopause, going through the perimenopausal state and into menopause, I see hormonal decline and degeneration of tissue, degeneration of overall health and wellness. And so a woman basically then starts getting underlying anxiety. And what is worse of all, they have difficulty sometimes even enjoying the act of lovemaking or sexuality, which affects their overall intimacy in their home and marriage. So what are the solutions today in healthcare regarding degeneration and the loss of total health? Traditional healthcare has certainly solutions that have worked, and I embrace them. Most of them, however, involve pharmacological intervention, possibly treating some symptoms rather than treating the underlying metabolic derangement. What we try to do at Regenerative Metabolic Institute is actually look at the underlying markers and identify these metabolic derangements. By doing that, through regenerative means, you can restore health and beauty and wellness. I had a very serious injury where a tree crushed me, and it took away my life, my family, my health, and I basically lost everything. As I was recovering, I was taking traditional pharmacological drugs, and I was not recovering. After being involved in looking into integrative and functional regenerative medicine, I was mentored by someone who helped me balance out my system and go through a total recovery process. Over the next couple of years, through my recovery, I got very excited about the whole area of regenerative and functional medicine. So after my wife joined me in the office and we practice integrative and functional medicine together, what I've noticed and run into as I practice this type of medicine is issues with intimacy. I see men and women coming into my office, opening up their hearts and telling me, Dr. Orbeck, I have problems in our love arena of our home. When a couple comes together and they actually express each other's love, what I find is that the couple accelerates. They start to get more confident, more joyful, more peaceful. As we live in a world of unrest, having peace and intimacy in the home is vitally important. At Regenerative Medical Institute, we have methods and ways to quietly and confidently help you achieve those areas that may be missing in your life. What I sometimes hear from patients that come into my office and see me the first time is they say, Dr. Orbeck, is this a foolproof, guaranteed solution that you're offering me? And I look at them with some hesitancy and I say, no. There are no guarantees in life, my friend. There's no 100% cure. But what I can tell you is that our success rate is extremely high. And when you approach metabolic medicine through this type of means that we do, we have a very good success rate and a very happy patient family. We've made it really easy for you to see if you're a great candidate for us and for you, and to vastly improve your intimacy level. What I've done is I put a calendar online so that you can select the best time and date and set your goals with us in the near future. To carry on, simply click the button below and select the time and date that works best for me and you for us to simply give you a call. There is no cost to this call. It's simply a call to you to help us put together a plan of action if you wish to get your intimacy back in line. Click the button below to get started now.